Hey there, it's GreenSwanica.PROetess, and this is another nature vid installment in this vid batch. And this is the Fern Trail in Thompson Run State Park in New Cumberland, West Virginia. And right here I'm going to show you what's called the Fern Trail. There are countless ferns everywhere along the trail. Over here, way more ferns. Over here, a myriad, I should say, a plethora of ferns. And right here we have some more. Now I'm going to walk beautiful, beautiful ferns. A beautiful chartreuse green color. Perfect for spring, the time of spiritual rebirth, spiritual renewal. Here we go down the Fern Trail. This may be leading to the spillway. Another part of this trail leads to Flats Cemetery, which is a very old, beautiful graveyard with lovely stones from 1800s. I think I even saw a few from the 1700s, so it's a gorgeous area. Okay, I'm going to finish this particular video. And look at, the sea of ferns, how beautiful. It's a gorgeous day for hiking. And I'll see you soon with more content because I'm going sonically yours because poetry and nature bloom